For today's friendly know-how, pag-usapan natin kung paano makakatipid and save ng pera this Christmas. The holiday season is a time for joy and togetherness, but it can also lead to financial stress. This year, let's find smart ways to save money while celebrating the spirit of Christmas. Number 1. Create a holiday budget. Setting a holiday budget for gifts, food, and decorations is crucial for managing expenses and enjoying the festivities responsibly. By planning ahead and sticking to a budget, we can celebrate the holiday season without the burden of overspending. This approach not only fosters a more enjoyable holiday experience but also promotes financial well-being sa susunod na taon. Gift giving is an important aspect sa kultura nating mga Pinoy, especially kapag Pasko. This can lead to high expectations and pressures to spend excessively. Kung walang budget, madali kang mahulog sa overspending at mauubos ang budget mo sa credit card na mahirap bayaran. Create a list. Isulat ang lahat ng bibigyan mo ng regalo at mag-set ng limit para sa bawat tao na iyong reregaluhan. Number 2. Start early with gift shopping. Sa pamamagitan ng maagang pamimili para sa mga holiday gift, hindi ka lang makakatipid kundi magkakaroon ka rin ng mas relaxed at enjoyable na holiday season. Many stores begin their holiday promotions early. This means you can find great discounts on popular items before the rush of December. Maiiwasan mo dami ng tao na karaniwang dumadagsa bago magpasko. Magkakaroon ka ng mas maraming oras para makapili ng magandang regalo sa maayos na presyo. Number 3. Do-it-yourself gifts and decorations. You may consider do-it-yourself gifts and decorations. Ang mga regalo kagaya ng personalized photo albums or homemade treats ay hindi lamang nakakatipid ng pera kundi nagdadala ng personal and meaningful touch to your holiday celebrations. They allow for creativity, sustainability, and the joy of giving something truly unique to your loved ones. This holiday season, consider embracing do-it-yourself projects to enhance your celebrations. Number 4. Use cashback and discount apps. Sa panahon ngayon, maraming paraan para makatipid habang namimili, at ang paggamit ng cashback at discount apps ay isa sa pinakamabisang paraan. Narito ang ilang popular na apps tulad ng Shopee, Lazada, GCash, at Paymaya. Hindi lamang ito nakakatulong sa iyong budget, kundi nagbibigay rin ng masayang karanasan sa pamimili. Take advantage of the cashback offers and the daily discount and flash sales promotion. Number 5. Host potluck gatherings. Hosting a potluck gathering is a smart way to enjoy delicious food, save money, and foster community connections. Sa pamamagitan ng pag-aambag ng lahat, hindi lamang nababawasan ang gastos kundi nagiging mas masaya at makabuluhan ang okasyon. With each person contributing their own specialty, you get diverse menu without the need to spend on multiple different dishes. This not only makes the meal more exciting but also allows everyone to showcase their cooking skills. Number 6. Set up a savings challenge. Starting a savings challenge is a fun way to save money for Christmas. Setting aside a small amount each week, you can give yourself a nice financial boost for holiday expenses. Mag-set ng specific na halaga na isasama sa iyong savings every week. Maari kang magsimula sa maliit na halaga hanggang sa umabot sa target mong savings. Number 7. Reuse decorations and wrapping. Bago bumili ng bagong decorations, tingnan kung ano ang mayroon ka na. Maraming holiday decorations ang pwedeng gamitin taon-taon, and with a little creativity can help refresh their look. Reusing decorations and getting creative with gift wrapping not only saves money but also reduces waste and promotes sustainability. Being resourceful, you can celebrate the holidays in a more meaningful and environmentally friendly way. Number 8. Avoid holiday debt. Avoiding holiday debt is essential for maintaining financial health. This holiday season, gumawa ng detalyadong budget na kasama ang lahat ng posibleng gastos para sa mga regalo, pagkain, decorations, at entertainment. Sticking to your budget and using cash for purchases, you can enjoy the festive season without the stress of debt. Prioritize your spending, be mindful of impulse purchases, and focus on creating meaningful experiences. With careful planning, you can have a joyful holiday season that doesn't break the bank. Remember, Christmas is about joy and togetherness, not financial stress. With these smart saving tips, you can celebrate the season without breaking the bank. Ikaw, ano ang money saving hack mo this Christmas? Happy saving and happy holidays!